Hello children, today in this class I am going to start with the quadratic equation, the first exercise. The first question of the first exercise is that check whether the following are quadratic equations. Okay. So for equation to be quadratic, the thing what is it is the power of or the degree of the variable must be 2. Then equation which has the degree of 2, very simple, is called as the quadratic equation. So you are given example like this one, x plus 1 bracket square is equal to 2 into x minus 3. So just by seeing this one you don't write this is what quadratic and all that. So better to solve this one. So solve and get the solution. Afterwards you can say that it is quadratic and it is not quadratic, and it is very important question. You will get this in your exam, one question based on this one. So children, learn this one, how to solve this one. First of all, the first thing where people get afraid, x plus 1 bracket square. Yes, this is the thing. This one, don't get confused. X plus 1 bracket square, don't write this one as x square plus 1 square. Okay, what is the expansion of this one? Expansion of this one is something like this one. You compare this one with what? A plus b bracket square. So a plus b bracket square, write the formula. What do you have? A square plus b square plus 2ab. Yes. So now this is in the form of x plus 1 bracket square is equal to a, in place of a you have x, in place of b you have 1. So how to write this one? A square means here you can write for your convenience. A is x here, b is 1. When we simplify this one, a square means it is x square plus b square means it is 1 square plus 2 of the formula. This is 2ab means 2 into a into b. 2a is how much it is? Once again x into b is 1. So this is x square plus 1 plus 2 into x is 2x. 2x into 1 is it is 2x only. So this is expansion of x plus 1 bracket square is equal to, you have x square plus 2x plus 1. This is not a solution of the problem. This is one step. So children, don't solve this way below the question. So what to do for this one? I am doing this one. The correct method of solving such questions is something like this one. So simplification where you are doing. So what you are doing here, just make a part of paper when you are writing x plus 1 bracket square is equal to. So what this one can be written as? It is in the form of a plus b bracket square which is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Don't call this as a rough work. This is what solution of the problem you can say, and for this also you get the marks. So x plus 1 bracket square I explain here. I will not explain more. Here x square plus 1 square plus 2 as it is into x into 1. Very simple. So what do you get here? X square plus 1 plus 2x. You can write the same thing here. This is what x plus 1 bracket square is equal, so that you will not get confused with the remaining solution. If you solve below only, then you will forget this term and everything get what confusing, and people will get what difficulty in understanding. Okay, now listen. Now x plus 1 whole square we have got as x square plus 1 plus 2x is equal to, yes, once again this is multiplication of x minus 3 with 2. The thing is it is understood 2. So here the easiest method I am going to explain you. 2 into x is 2x. This is nothing means it is plus, plus minus it is minus, 2 into 3 it is 6. Very simple, 2 3s are 6. Okay, now listen, x square I am writing this way plus 2x, I am bringing this 2x this side minus 2x here and this plus 1 as it is. So this is on RHS part and this is on LHS part. So this is plus 6 is equal to 0. So these are the terms we have got. So what is happening here? Now x square plus 2x and the minus 2x goes. X square plus 1 plus 6 is 7 is equal to 0. So your final equation what you have got is x square plus 7 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation because the variable is having the power 2. So even though you don't have the term that is x, actually the standard form of quadratic is what? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. In exam it is better to write if they ask you to write the question in the quadratic form, in that case, how you are writing this one as x square plus bx you don't have, 0 into x you can write, plus c is 7 is equal to 0. So you can write this way. Therefore, the equation is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Therefore, the given equation forms a quadratic equation. This way you are going to solve when the question is asked whether the equation is quadratic or not. So, this is what. Okay, the second question is something like this one of exercise 4.1. X square minus 2x is equal to minus 2 into 3 minus x. How to proceed with this one? There is no whole square, very simplification of only RHS we have. In LHS part we don't have anything to simplify because these are in the simplified form only. Now we will simplify this one. How to multiply the bracket with different signs. Let me explain this one. Very simple problem. X square minus 2x is equal to, okay, listen, this is minus 2 and this is plus 3. Minus plus makes it minus. It is into 2 3s are 6. Okay, next minus minus plus 2 into x is 2x. Over, finish. Now transferring the terms from this is RHS part to LHS part, so that it is, now look at this one, x square minus 2x. Let me bring all the terms one by one. You can bring it, plus 6 plus 2x make it minus 2x. It is equal to 0. Once again, children, don't cancel this way. This is minus and this is minus. If both are negative, what you are doing? You are adding the numbers. This I explained in my previous videos. See, look at this one. X square. We have these two like terms. So minus 2x. I'll write that for our calculation. To make it easy. Minus 2x plus 6 equal to 0. Now we can simplify only these two terms. This is simple. And this is also simple because nothing to add and subtract with this x square and the number 6. Only these things we are going to simplify. How? X square minus 2x minus, as I told you, minus minus, that operation we do addition. This is 4x. Now the question comes of sign. Both are negative. No question of bigger and smaller. When both are negative, you are keeping the sign minus and plus 6 is equal to 0. Very simple. Once again, this is a quadratic equation. Like the first problem, you are going to write, it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Therefore, it is a quadratic equation. This way. So, let me continue with the third question. In this way, I am going to solve all the questions so that it will help you in solving. And if you have already done with this simple calculation, you can proceed. So, the third question is little something like this one. Anyhow, listen, third one. It is x minus 2 into x plus 1 is equal to, you have on the RHS part, x minus 1 into x plus 3. See children, you have combination of what? Brackets here. This one, these are two brackets and these are two brackets. First we will simplify and we will transfer the terms of RHS to RHS in a very easy way. I am going to explain you. So there are many methods to multiply the brackets. One of the best easy method so that everyone can understand. The correct and I won't say the correct. All the methods are correct only, of course. The easiest method is, see, something like this one. X into x plus 1. I will do this one. So I am multiplying this x with this bracket. Next minus 2 is there. Now keep it minus 2 as it is. And this is x plus 1. So everyone can understand this one without any confusion. Now in your if you have the practice of multiplying the brackets, directly you can multiply. So better to go with this way. So now you have the same thing following here. X into x plus 3. You have minus 1 into bracket x plus 3. Very simple. First what I did, I multiplied x with the whole bracket. This minus 1 with this whole bracket. Okay, step by step we will solve. So this x into x is x square, yes, this one, and x into 1. Now plus x into 1 is 1x, or you can write only x. X means it is 1x only. Now minus, it is 2 into x is 2x, minus plus minus 2 into 1 is 2 is equal to, we will proceed in the same way. X into x, it is x square, not 2x. Yes children, x into x is x square, x confusion arises in the question, I will solve all your confusion where most of the students I have seen they get confused. Not to worry, I'll go on explaining you each and every solution and each and every step. Just follow my videos. And okay, now listen, let me continue with this one. X into 3, it is simple 3x or x3. Both are same. X into 3 is same as 3x. You can write this way. Okay, don't get confused. This part O. Now we will proceed with this one. Minus 1 into x is, yes children, it is minus 1x, or you can write only x. It is understood. Okay, if you want, you can write. Then minus plus minus 1 into 3 is 3. I think if people are understanding all the steps, without hurry, without any confusion, we'll solve slowly. Okay, now x square. Okay, now we'll simplify this further because we have like terms. This is plus x and minus x. Yes, just look at this one. I'll explain this step also. You have your plus x minus 2x. See children, this is nothing but 1x. 1x minus 2x. 1x minus 2x is 1 minus 2 is 1 only. That is with x. That is 1 chocolate minus 2 chocolates. 1 chocolate minus 2 chocolate is 1 chocolate, but with minus sign because bigger number is on the minus side. So you get here minus 1x. So what is this one here? So you are getting here minus 1x minus 2 as it is. Okay. So x square, once again a concept comes here. I think it is very easy. Plus 3x minus 1x. You can do. So 3x minus 1x is 2x minus 3. Okay. Now we will transfer the terms from RHS to LHS. So you have here x square, right, as it is, LHS minus 2. Don't get confused. Okay. Very simple we are going to solve these things. X square minus 2x. Okay. This minus becomes plus 3 equal to 0. Over. One more part of this one is over. Now we will see the terms which get cancelled, which get added, which get subtracted, and all those things now. So you have here x square term and here also x square term, but with different sign. That is, here it is plus x square and this is minus x square. They go get cancelled. Now what remains here? Minus x minus, right, as many steps as you can, so that you can avoid the confusion and you are not going to make any mistakes if you solve step by step. Okay, and problems also become easy for you to understand and you will not make any mistake if you write step by step. Let the solution become what lengthy and all that, but you write step by step so that you can avoid the what mistakes and confusions. Okay, now listen. Minus x and minus 2x. As I told you here, these two are like terms. Means this nothing means minus 1x, minus 1x. Children see, minus 1x, minus 2x. As you know, minus 1, minus 2 is minus 3. Once again, I would like to say, follow all my videos on addition, subtraction of numbers. Okay, everything I explained very well in that. So just see this one because they are very important. Either you go to your arithmetic or geometry, and for your higher class also these concepts helps you a lot. And without this one you can't do maths. So learn this well, practice more and more problems. Now listen. Minus 1 and minus 2 makes it minus 3. In the same here also it is minus 3x. Okay. Now we have this minus 2 and this plus 3. So what happens here once again? Minus 2 plus 3. Once again opposite signs, addition and subtraction sign we have, that is plus and minus sign. Here negative opposite signs means operation is subtraction. You are subtracting from 3 to it becomes 1. Obviously the bigger number is having the plus sign. It is plus 1. Very simple. Okay, this is with the simplification. Now the question is what? Whether the equation is quadratic or not, it is asked. Okay, this is not at all a quadratic equation. Why? The highest power of this variable is 1. We cannot write like this one, 0 into x square minus 3x. So this plus 1 This we cannot do with this one. Okay, so you need this one. Even if you don't have this term and this term, if the equation contains x square, see children, only x square equal to 0 is also called as a quadratic equation. Remember this one. So the variable must have the power of 2. Only in that case you are going to say the given equation is a quadratic. Because of that one, you people are going to say here, this is not a quadratic, not a quadratic. Just write this one, not a quadratic. This much enough. Not to write further, it is not in the form of and all that. So this way you are going to solve the problem if you have this combination or multiplication of what? Two terms. Okay, now listen. Let me continue with the next third one. So this is third one, I think. It is third one. Now we will proceed with the fourth one in the same way, and we will solve all the problems in the same way, step by step, very easily, slowly, without getting any confusion. Hello children, continue with this one. You have the fourth question. X minus 3 into 2x plus 1 is equal to x into x plus 5. Very simple. Okay, we will proceed like this. X into 2x plus 1 for the learned beginners. It is very helpful. 2x plus 1. In this I explained you how to operate over what? Positive multiplication, multiplication of positive, negative numbers, the bracket, how to open the bracket and all that one. Okay, now listen. X into this 2x plus 1 whole thing minus 3 into this whole thing is equal to this one you can write. Now we'll simplify the open the bracket. X into 2x is, yes, 2x square plus x plus minus minus 3 2s are 6x plus minus minus 3 1s are 3. It is x into x, x square plus x into 5, x 5 don't write it as 5x. Hope people are understanding. Okay, now we will see the LHS part. What we have here, x square, x and the x. Okay, we can simplify here first, is it? So what we will do? 2x square, yes children, plus x, nothing means it is 1x plus 1x minus 6, yes. What is this one here? Plus 1 minus 6, it is minus 5, plus minus minus, bigger number is having a minus sign, keep it minus. So what is here? Minus 5x children, this is minus 3, you can transform, but I will go step by step so that we can avoid the confusions whatever we will get often. Okay, now yes, write this once again as it is. 2x square minus 5x minus 3 and minus x square minus 5x equal to 0. As you know, you are transferring from RHS to LHS. Obviously the sign changes. This plus becomes minus and also this plus becomes minus. Okay, now listen children. Okay, one more way. Your 2x square minus x square, it will not become plus x square because you are arranging the terms. Okay, these all the terms are most of the children I have seen. So if they little changes, if they bring, then also they change the sign. Children, don't do that way because you are not transferring from LHS to RHS or RHS to LHS. You are adjusting the term of the same part, that is LHS part, without changing any sign. Okay, you can write that. It is 2x square, it is minus x square, okay, minus 5x, yes, this is also minus 5x minus 3 equals to 0, yes. Now this is 2x square minus nothing means it is 1x square, it is x square minus children, see here, minus 5x, yes, minus 5 and minus 5. Both are negative. When both are minus, we are adding. The operation what we are doing here? Addition operation. So minus 5 and 5, we are adding 10. Obviously this is plus, not plus 10, it is minus 10. Okay, so what are you getting here? Minus 10x minus 3 equal to 0. This is the solution as I explained in the beginning also. But the concept is to check whether it is quadratic. So it is a, yes, it is a quadratic equation this way. People solve the problems quadratic equation. The given equation is quadratic. You can write this way. So let me proceed with the next question. Next question is the fifth one is something like this one. Similar to this one, practice. 2x minus 1 x minus 3 is equal to x plus 5 into x minus 1. See, the main intention behind this video is for you people to make this multiplication addition of the brackets and when to add, when to subtract, to teach them. I am solving all the problems. If you understand this exercise, I think without any mistakes you can go with the remaining exercises. So make all the doubts clear, get clear here. Okay, now listen. Same thing, same method, continue. Yes children, 2x into, follow this one. X minus 3 minus 1 into x minus 3 is equal to x into x minus 1 plus 5 into x minus 1 this way. So what you will get here is 2x into x. Yes, 2, nothing means it is 1. Okay, 2 into 1 is 2, x into x is x square minus 2 3s are 6x minus 1x minus it is plus 1 3s are 3. Yes, now it is x into x, it is x square minus x into 1 is 1x. I can write x plus 5x. 5 into 1 is minus 5. I think at this level you are understanding what I am doing. Okay, now look at this one. Here we can simplify this one. We will simplify 2x square as it is minus 6 minus 1. Yes, it is what? Minus 6 minus 1. Yes, minus add, it shows. That is 7 but with minus sign. So it is minus 7x plus 3 is equal to, now look at this one, x square. Here we can simplify. So what do you have here? Minus 1 plus 5. You also write this way so that you will not get confused. Okay, so 1 is negative and 1 is positive. That means you have to subtract 5 minus 1. It is 4. Bigger number is having the plus sign. Your answer get in terms of plus. So what do you get here? Plus 4x minus 5. Okay, children. Now look at this one. Yes, what is the next step? Transferring the term from RHS to LHS. 2x square minus 7x plus 3 as it is, nothing means it is plus, minus x square plus becomes minus 4x minus becomes plus 5. While solving now, one thing I want to say, you just say and solve the problems just as I am reading so that you will become perfect with that. Okay, now listen. 2x square minus x square. Okay, as I told you, no change the sign because we are rearranging the term on the same side. Okay, no change in sign. We are just arranging with the signs. Okay, this is minus 7x and this is minus 4x. Yes, children. Then this is plus 3 plus 5. If people are understanding, I think this is 2x square and 1x square. This is what? 2x square minus 1x square. 2x square minus 1x square is, it is 1x square. Okay. Now together directly only x square. Yes. Minus 7 minus 4. Both are negative means add. Keep the bigger number sign. That is minus sign. 7 plus 4 it is 11x plus 3 plus 5 is 8 equal to 0. So it is a quadratic equation. Yes, it is a quadratic equation. This way you can write. Okay. This way you can solve the problems. You are going to get one or the other problem of this question. So practice only. I think you have 7 to 8 problems. Then definitely you will get the question based on this one question. Okay. Continuing with this one, next one you have 6th question. What is it? Sorry, it is x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to x minus 2 whole square. Very simple, no bracket multiplication. Only one thing you have here is of this square one. Okay, the first one also, the first problem also, you have the same thing. So now let us see. Nothing to explain, nothing to simplify here. So I am writing this one as it is. Sorry, is equal to, yes, it is in the form of what? As I told you, solve this may a minus b bracket square. This is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So now our expression is what? X minus 2 bracket square. You have in place of a x, in place of b you have 2. So this is a square means it is x square plus b square means 2 square. Don't write minus sign here, minus 2. A means x, you can put down. B means 2. Yes, don't write minus 2. This minus you are not going to change any sign. Just you are keeping the same sign what you have here. Okay. Now look at this one. X square plus 2 square becomes 4 minus 2 2s are 4x. Yes, the same thing you are transferring here, or you can write here this way: x square plus 2 square minus 2a into b. Okay. Now look at this is not this: x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to x square plus 4 minus 2 2s are 4x. Now what is next one? We transfer the terms from RHS to LHS. This way we are transferring x square plus 3x plus 1 minus x square minus 4 minus plus 4x equals to 0 plus x square minus x square goes. Now you remain with 3x plus 1 minus 4 plus 4x is equal to 0. Even though it is not a quadratic, but you have to solve full the question. Don't stop here the solution and say it is not quadratic. You will not get full marks. So complete the solution. This is 3x plus 4x plus 1 minus 4 equal to 0. This is 7x minus 3 equal to 0. Not a quadratic, as yes, the power of the variable or the degree of the variable is what? 2. It is not 2, it is linear equation. So not a quadratic. You are going to say this way. Okay. Okay, still continuing with the some question of exercise, first exercise of your quadratic equation. The question is x plus 2 whole cube is equal to 2x into x square minus 1. So only thing is this simplification. This is very simple, bracket opening. So you have seen here, this is the form you have seen here, this is the form of a plus b whole cube. Okay, very simple. What we have the formula? A plus b whole cube is equal to a cube, yes, plus b cube plus 3ab into bracket a plus b. Okay, so what is yours? X plus 2 whole cube. Your expansion is something like this. A and this is b. First a cube means x cube, b cube means 2 cube plus 3 x, a is x into 2. Inside the bracket you have x plus 2. It is a plus b. Okay, I go slowly. X cube as it is. 2 cube means you are multiplying how many times? 2. Like this one. Children, they make 2 cube, they write it as 6. Very wrong. You are going very slowly without making any mistakes, because here these are the problems where you are going to get full marks. Okay, so don't make hurry, children. So write 2 cube is equal to 8. Even I have seen brilliant students make this mistake because of only hurry. Okay, avoid that one. Plus 2 3s are 6x and x plus 2. Okay, so this is once again x cube plus a. Yes, children, this is bracket opening, plus 6 into x, 6 as it is, x into x is x square plus 6 2s are 12x. Okay, this is what the solution of this one. Okay, I have explained it in separate way. You have to solve this in solution also, but if I directly solve here, you will not understand very this one. Easily it may confuse people if I solve it directly. Separately I have shown the expansion of this one here, so that you can proceed here very easily without any mistakes or confusion. Now, continuing with this one, we have to solve here also. So what is this one here? You have x plus 2 whole cube. You have, it is a cube plus 2 cube, a cube plus b cube. Okay, plus 3 a b. Okay, okay, of that inside the bracket you have x plus 2. Not necessary of writing the formula, because you are not asked to solve the equation by using formula and all that one. It is this is part of the solution, not necessary of writing the formulas. Okay, now listen. Now look at this one here. This is equal to 2x square, okay, into x is x cube minus 2x. Hope you people are understanding. Now look at this one, x cube, same thing, 2 cube is 8 plus 3 2s are 6x. Step by step, as I say often, without any making mistakes, slowly we'll move. 2x cube minus 2x. Children, now look at this one further simplification. X cube plus 8 plus 6x into x. It is 6x square plus 6 2s are 12x. Yes, it is 2x cube minus 2x. Okay. Now we'll transfer the term from RHS to LHS, our usual way. X cube plus 8 plus 6x square. Same thing I am writing. I am not changing anything here. I am writing the same thing here. Minus 2x cube. Yes, minus becomes plus 2x equals to 0. Children, look at this one once again. We'll write the like terms together and simplify. Okay, x cube. This is minus 2x cube. Next, after x cube, obviously get the x square. Right, 6x square. Along with this one comes the, yes, do you have any x square here? You don't have any x square, is it? So you don't have any x square, only this is the only term. You have plus 12x and plus 2x. Write it here. This is 12x and this is 2x. This cube with this cube. Okay, now you have what? This one a and nothing to add with that or subtract. You are going to write just plus a equals to 0. Okay, now count the terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means all you are written. This is one of the method of checking. If you have any confusion or any doubt, sometimes children get afraid. Array, what I have done. So, without any hesitation. Okay? Without keeping any hesitation in your mind. Simply you are going to solve this way. Okay? Now look at this way. Sorry, this is plus 1x cube. Same thing. Minus 1x cube makes it minus 1x cube. Or you can write directly x cube. Okay? Now here 6x square. Nothing to add or subtract. Okay? This is best part of us. Now 12x plus 2x is 14x. No negative sign. Plus 8 is equal to 0. Yes, it is quadratic or not? No, it is not a quadratic. Even now you have what? X square, that is, but you have this power. The highest power should be only 2, not more than 2, not less than. So this is the what? Property of quadratic equation. So it is got to say, no, it is not a quadratic equation. You are writing here, not a quadratic. Not necessary to write the reason why it is not and all that, but just say, no, it is not a quadratic. For your understanding, the reason is that the highest power is 3, so which is not accepted for the quadratic equation. So this way you are going to solve this 7th question. I will explain the 8th question also. The 8th question is something like this one. X cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 equal to x minus 2 whole cube. In the previous problem, that is 7th problem, you have a plus b bracket cube formula. You have used and simplified. Now you have here a minus b whole cube formula. So what is that one? There you have all the signs positive, right here negative signs. You will get something like this one. So first let me write the formula first. A minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into bracket a minus b. Better to write the formula in this form instead of opening and writing the term, because you will get confused with plus, where comes the plus and the minus. So a minus b whole cube is something like this one, and a plus b whole cube is like this one. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab into bracket a plus b. There is no confusion with plus and minus. If it is minus this way, if it is plus this way. All the signs are positive signs you have here, and all the negative signs there you have. Okay. Now listen. Now our expansion is what? A minus b whole cube, that is 1 minute. So you have here x minus 2 whole cube. So that is equal to, in place of a you have x and in place of b you have 2, not minus 2, because you are writing the formula of minus. So you are not going to say b is minus 2. Okay. Now look at this one. Our formula is this one. Okay. A cube means x cube minus 2 cube minus 3 of formula. A means x, b means 2. Inside the bracket you have x minus 2. Very simple. X cube, as I told you, 2 cube is 2 is repeated 3 times. Okay, this is 2 cube is what? 8 you are going to get here. Minus 8 minus 3 2s are 6x, and this is x minus 2. So this one you are getting as x cube minus 8 minus, yes, 6, and this one multiply 6x into x is 6x square minus minus plus 6 2s are 12x. This is expansion of this one. Sorry, what is that? Your x minus 2 whole cube. Now listen. The same thing I am writing. The RHS and LHS we can't simplify because all are different terms only. So you have x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 is equal to a cube minus b cube, yes, minus 3a into b. A cube minus b cube minus 3ab into bracket a minus b, like this one. Very simple. All the signs are negative when you have a minus b whole cube. Okay. Now look at this one. X cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1. Don't transfer the terms immediately. First simplify all the terms, that is in hardest bracket. After opening the bracket only you are bringing them this side. So remember this one. Most of the children, what they do? In a hurry they just bring without simplification. Of course you can do if we have the practice of doing that. Otherwise it is better to simplify the LHS terms and the RHS term first, then transfer. You will not get any confusion in that way if you solve, I say. Now it is x cube, the same thing what I explained here, minus 8 minus 3 2s are 6x, and here x minus 2. Okay. Now here it is x cube minus 4x square minus same thing, no change in this one, x cube minus 8 minus 6x to x is 6x square, so minus minus plus 6 2s are 12x. Okay. Now we cannot add and subtract here also and here also. Only thing is next is to bring that this side. So you have here x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1, bring it, minus x cube minus becomes plus 6x square plus becomes minus 12x equals to 0. This plus x cube minus x cube get cancelled. You remain with minus 4x square, this one, and plus 6x square. Write them together without changing the sign now. This is plus minus x and this is minus 12x, minus x, minus 12x, plus 1 and plus 8. You can say here plus 1. So just for our understanding this one. Plus 1 and plus 8 equals to 0. So here, yes children, here it is minus 4 plus 6. One is minus sign and one is plus sign. Subtraction you have to do. 6 minus 4 is 2. Bigger number is having a plus sign. We are getting 2x square. Yes, once again here minus and minus. Both the signs are negative. Add the numbers. Nothing means 1 minus 12 minus 1 minus 30x. No question here is equal to 0. Okay. So what do you have? 2x square minus 13x plus 9 equal to 0. You have got this one as a quadratic equation. Therefore you are writing here, yes, it is a quadratic equation, or given equation is quadratic. This way you are going to solve all the sums. So children, I have solved all the sums of first bit, so that you will get what clear about bracket multiplication, how to use a formula, how to simplify, and how to bring it this side, adding as I told you before also. So children, follow the steps what I explained without any confusion, step by step, without making hurry. I solved the question follow them. The thing is that you need the practice. Understanding is different thing, following is different thing. Above all, the thing is that practice only makes the maths perfect. So I say once again, practice and practice more, especially with maths, and have a nice day. Thank you, children.